Ito si Arvin Gamboa. Has shown vast improvement in terms of decision-making, ball handling. Meanwhile, spinner. So far, San Juan has yet to score. Monte fires a free. It's good! Long free. And good stop by San Juan. And Viloria is gone on the other side. Sa pull, sa mukha, si JR Sumido. Monte though, attacks and scores again. Down 7-2. Cuyas with a 5-point lead. Ramos stretching the floor, knocks down that free.
Tira dun sa labas.
Dalawang laban ng Bulacan, 7-5. Oh, Akop. Nasa pool doon si JC Cuellar, but naagawan, Benedictos. Monte, they have the numbers. Marlon Monte sidesteps his way to the basket. Marlon Monte, back iron.
I'm really impressed that he was able to get an attempt off.
Pinagpag lang ni Galinato yung defense.
And that, I think, is more on the defensive side.
Even with John Galinato and Michael Malonzo last season, that's been the...
Uso kasi ngayon yung mga run club eh.
Oo.
So yung mga San Juan Knights running club. Ito ba yung mga ilalaban sa Rockwell running club?
picture eh, yung tinitignan niya dito si Delphi.
Well, this is a coach who's reached the almost the top of the MPBL with Baco.
Marquez, same spot for Villapando. Same result, a miss. Sa ilalim, Dexter Mike
Forward.
Tahonera. Aba, siya yung nagpasa. Kay Gamboa, reversal of role.
Is very much familiar with the way that his teammates move and play here. And Marlon,
Those were important minutes.
No. I think he's a capable player here in the MPBL. And look at Villapando.
It's now a 17-7 run para dito sa San Juan. Celso answers with block by Ken Villapando.
Villapando doing it all, leading the break here.
Jackson glides in for the layup.
Mukhang ito pa yung magbibigay ng malaking advantage sa San Juan.
Great pass though. Peralta libreng-libre sa ilalim. Boy, Monte, that had a good line. Babalik sa kanilang bola. Monte this time drives and scores.
He is halos yung galaw niya is medyo may pagka-kontra-tiyempo. Which makes it...
Under a minute remaining here in the second period. 6-point lead for the San Juan Knights. Oh, great pass from Arvin Gamboa to a cutting.
Spoke about him during the pre-game. So, hindi pa siya pala na-activate dito. So, ang dami na ring options dito para kay Coach Alex.
Yeah. Marquez, put back. No good. 9th rebound for Dexter Marquez. Denison sets his feet, launches, rolls out. Marquez already with a double-double. It well from the field today. Tracks it down for Bulacan. Bola na agaw ni Viloria. Rainiel free for the transition layup.
And that almost went out. Because masyado malakas. Pero kahit paano may awa ang ring doon, Marlon Monte.
Ng Bataan sa second half. Doon nakaharap.
Yeah.
Yung kalaban nila mamaya, Davao
Or
Occidental.
usually, it's Bataan who's there. Depende din yan eh. But, ito si Aldrich Ramos. Always had that soft touch
Oh yeah.
for a big man.
Sumido, nakabutas galing sa labas. Bulacan just hanging around, down by 12. Aldrich Ramos though, self up para dito sa San Juan.
That's a good sign for San Juan. He has half of the season to get sharper.
48-35. Marquez, skip pass. Denison fires a free. Off the mark. Kanina pa nakaka-rebound at nakaka-putback. Ito si Dexter Marquez.
Marquez again, 6th offensive rebound, 14 points in the game.
Monte nakapwesto. Celso there for the stick back as well. 50-37, 5 minutes and 40 seconds left here. Ron Denison, the reverse will work.
Not.
3-point shot ni Denison Mintes. Humawas, great outlet, Monte has Culyar to beat, and he scores, plus a foul. Lamang dito ng San Juan, 52-42. Ramos blows the layup, but he gets it back. And two more. Lineup nila dati sa FEU, sila nila Kawaling, Baroka, R.R. Garcia, Real Cervantes.
No, mga panahon na nagko-cover tayo niyan ng UAAP.
Oo. Ito siya doon nung nung tatlo Pascual, Abueva, and Sangalang. But he was always a serviceable player para sa San Juan. Meanwhile, ito naman, bati ko. But before that, 75%. 13-point lead, Marquez sa ilalim. Dexter Mano. Humawas, papunta kay Marlon Monte. Oh, Monte! With an aggressive BL. Ganun kadami, no? Hindi natin akalain mag-best friend pala itong dalawang to as si Nico Panganiban.
Open step.
Monte against John Galinato. Inside, oh, Sabelina with a gorgeous reversal distance. Behind by 12. Aaron Acop puts it up, puts it in from downtown.
Already impressed with the way he is able to move on the court and his ability to put the ball in the hoop that time. It's another
Ball poked loose by John Galinato. Numbers for the Knights. Panganiban. Oh, great teamwork there. Executed well by the San Juan Knights.
textbook fast break there para sa Knights. Finished by Sabandal. But back the other way. Quarter, Bulacan has a chance. One big run can, make things even more interesting in this ball game.
Pugnatan wala. Second serving by Reynel is good. Apare going to work.
That's his first basket of the game.
Time winding down in the third. Aaron Acop leaning right, taking that free and making it. Dito sa ating penultimate quarter with Sabandal, Pugnatan, Gamboa, Galinato, and Nico Panganiban. 3-point shot plus 11 points. To go along with 4 assists.
Ganda rin yung pinapakita ni Joem.
Gamboa beating his defender off the bounds. Count. This is Humawas with a basket plus a foul. Snow got blocked from behind. Bola bagyan na wala kay Sabandal. Recovers. Libre si Galinato for that 2-point. Gamboa tracks it down for the Knights.
3-on-2 again.
Pugnatan. The floater will drop.
Grabe, nag-enjoy ka ng laro natin. May dalawa pa mamaya. Magagandang laban din yun.
Sean Jackson with the left-handed scoop. One and done by Bulacan. In transition now are the Knights. Beneath bit. And the layup is good for...
Got blocked from behind by Villapando. And again, numbers for San Juan.
Ubalde casually making that shot from a...
Mr. Homegrown, Joseph Ubalde.
Ano to di ba? Dubai legend.
Legend sa lahat ng bagay. Content creator sa social media. Buti na lang, kinikredit naman nila yung MPBL na video. Okay? Kahit pa paano. Because that is the pag-aari ng MPBL, ang clip na yan.
Espiritu with a long 2 points in that fourth quarter.
Yan, si Jer Kinyahan. Hindi lang nila natapos eh.
And a lot of napakalaki. Yung ngayon, at least they've been competitive for
this loss really because of the way he performed tonight.
Sean Jackson hit a free earlier, knocks another one down.
Him to integrate himself into that San Juan rotation. Look out, Jackson!
Great. Well, San Juan will not hit the century mark, but it does not matter because they get Their 7th straight victory at the expense